Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get your iPhone verification code. Now if you got a new iPhone or you got a Apple computer or a iPad or whatever and you need an iCloud verification code, I am going to walk you through these steps to get it. However, verify that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So let's open up settings application here. Then you should proceed to your name. Here says Apple ID, iCloud, media and purchases. So simply tap on it and then select second option, password and security. Perfect. Scroll all the way down and you'll be able to see get verification code. Simply tap on this option and it will give me that verification code to be able to sign into iCloud on another device. Now say you don't have this specific device, you don't have a phone or an email address to receive that verification code, you can always open up Safari browser. Simply tap on new tab, and you should write something about like I am. So simply you should write iCloud account recovering, and first this link you should tap on it, scroll down and you'll be able to see how you can recover your iCloud. So there are some different ways how you can do it, how to set up an account recovery contact you can see here. Second, you can on your Mac with Mac OS Mentally or later you can recover your account. Just simply follow these steps and you can do it to recover your iCloud account. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comments section below. Hit the like button, tell me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly, everything else. I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I will catch you guys in the next video.